Alright, today I'm here over on the south side of Oklahoma City. We got a old Bradford white water heater here. And this thing has started leaking all over the place, ready to go out. One thing I kind of want to show you guys is on every water heater comes with a boiler drain. The boiler drain is this little hose looking valve at the bottom of these water heaters. They're used to drain them. You're supposed to be draining it twice a year, that nobody does. But these plastic ones are a pain in the butt because every time you go to drain them, they're all clogged up, they break, they snap, all kinds of issues with them. So there's no way we can lift these water heaters full of water, almost 400 pounds, and so we got to drain this water heater somehow. So I'm going to kind of show you to take this valve off and replace it with a different valve. Alright, so we got our hose attached to this plastic boiler drain. We're going to see if we can even get anything coming out of this thing. Alright, so we just opened up this plastic boiler drain here, and just as I suspected, no water coming out of here. So we got to get this valve off without snapping it, without breaking it. Okay, so the key here is when you take this plastic boiler drain off, it's to be very, very careful. If it doesn't want to spin, there's no reason to force it, because when you force it, they just snap off, and that's why I hate these plastic boiler drains. So remember, this tank is still full of water. And so it's going to try to splash out on us when we pull this off. And so the key is, there's no secret, you just got to be fast. So here we go. Okay, I got my new valve off to drain it. I know it's kind of hard to see in there, but it's nice and clogged up. So this is why you do not buy water heaters with these plastic drains on them, because they're just junk. Go out and get you a straight brass ball valve. These things will last forever. They don't clog as easily, and they're not going to break on you when you go to drain your water heater.